Hello and welcome to Little Blue Star. I'm Jane Allen. Thank you for joining me today. This card is made with the Very Best Occasions sentiment, this one here, and the splodges from Nature's Prints, these splodges. But obviously it will work with any sort of set that you've got in your stash with sort of this sort of splodgy effect, and obviously any sentiment that you want. So that's what we're using today. And also this punch is called Starlit punch, and it really is a good all-rounder, and obviously not just for Christmas, but you can use all these stars for all different projects. So if you haven't got that already, I do recommend that, and obviously you can always purchase through me if you haven't got a demonstrator. So let's get started. The first thing is a base of Pool Party, and then we've got some shimmery glimmer silver paper cardstock, and then a layer of white. I thought I'd go a bit blingy for Christmas. As you know, I love a bit of sparkle, so we're going to do that. Now, waste not, want not. Get your punch that you're going to use. Obviously it comes like that, but punch it in the middle, so put it as far in as you can. Obviously you could get two lots out of that, but it doesn't really matter. And then a punch out, so I'm just going to turn that over so it punches onto my desk here. And then all these are the stars that you get. So obviously I've gone with the silver glimmer, but I've also, as you can probably see, punched out some in different colours. So I've got some sort of greeny, turquoisey coloured ones here that I've previously punched out. So they're all the stars you get. So this big one, medium, and then some other little small, and then you get this tiny little one as well. And obviously that you're not going to see because I'm using that as a background, so you know, you might as well use what you're not going to see. So there we go, that's our stamps, or our stars punched out, sorry. Then we need our splodges. So I've already backed it on my block, and I've also backed my sentiment. So I'm going to go for the sentiment. I've gone in with Soft Succulent, just for the darker colour. So I haven't put my stickers on the back of these. So I'm just going to make sure that it's the right way up. So ink that up in the bottom corner there. That's that one, because I wanted the darker sort of green. And then for the splodges I've gone for Pool Party, so you know, the sort of lighter colour, and then ink the splodges up. And it's just a case of building up, you know, the splodges. I've sort of gone at a diagonal across the page, and then twist your stamp. And obviously it is just a case of building up where you want your splodges to go on the paper. Okay, and then when you're happy with that effect, you can then obviously put in your stars and things. So I might just put a bit more just around there. Don't know what that was. There. Right, let's see how that looks, and then build up my stars. So I want that in the on top of the greeny colour to show up. Okay, so then it's just a case of popping it together. What I'm going to do now is actually layer these up so I can get on with the, I've actually opened that way this time. So it's a case of just popping that together. So I'm just going to glue that onto my base card. All around there. And then pop that on. As I said, you could get two lots out of that piece of shimmer if you want more stars, but I'm only going for the one, so I've only punched it once. There we go, and then layer that up, so you've just got a tiny little border around the outside. Just gives that lovely glimmery effect. And then it's just going to build up these, so I'm actually going to put that on a dimensional. Might put it on 2 actually, just put 2 on the back there. Peel those off. So that's like my centre one. And you could just use silver on this if you haven't got you know, your different colours. It's only because I've got that in my stash that I thought I'd use those colours to bring out the greens. But obviously you could just go all silver and put the silver stars on there. As I say, as I've got that in my stash, I thought I'd go for that. So that one I'm just going to put 1 dimensional on. I'm sort of varying the design, so put that one on. There. And then I've got some of these little tiny ones. I'm going to put the glue on first with those, so just a tiny bit of glue. I've probably put too much on that one, but oops, that sun's coming in bright now in the window. Hopefully there's not too much of a shadow. Yeah, so just a tiny bit of glue for those actually, and I've probably done a bit much because they are squirting a bit, but hey ho. I'll put one of those on. And then it's just building up, so you can put as many stars or as little stars. Obviously I love stars, so I'm going to put quite a few on. But yeah, you just sort of build up which ones you want really. And as I say, this star punch is a really good investment. I think it's really versatile. So as you know, I love stars, so I'm a bit biased in that respect. But you know, you can use it for all different cards. Stars are for everything. They're not just for Christmas. Yeah, so quite happy with that, I think. So yeah, when you're happy, that is a very easy, simple, starry, sparkly card for Christmas. Hope you enjoyed that. As always, leave me a like if you did, or a comment. I love to read your comments. Please consider subscribing. It's totally free to do so, and obviously I come in with these sorts of cards and give you ideas, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much. Bye.